This video will help familiarize you with XQ rental generator sets to aid stopping the rental generator in an emergency. Warning: this video does not replace the Operation and Maintenance Manual, or OMM. You should read, understand, and follow the OMM. Only qualified users should install, maintain, and operate the generator. If you are uncertain or do not understand any information in the OMM, contact your local CAT dealer. To stop the generator in an emergency, use the red emergency stop or E-stop button only in an emergency if immediate engine shutdown is required. Pressing the E-stop button will trip the main circuit breaker and immediately shut down the engine. Bypassing the engine cool-down period and failing to disconnect loads from the generator before stopping can damage the unit and its attached load. Reset E-stop fault in EMCP. Press the Acknowledge button to silence the alarm. Ensure the main circuit breaker is open, off. Reset the E-stop button, quarter turn to pop out. Confirm the control panel is in stop mode. Reset E-stop fault in EMCP. Click on the Event Log button, then OK. Scroll up or down to find the Emergency Stop Switch event. Press OK to enable the reset feature. Press OK to reset the event. Use the procedures outlined in the OMM to start the unit, ensuring the event that prompted pressing the E-stop has been addressed.